Thank you so much for taking a look at this video today, and welcome to Guarantee. My name is Barb. Today I'm going to show you the 238 Freedom Express that's made by Coachmen. That's their top of the line. So you're looking at an aluminum frame trailer with pass-throughs and magnets, all kinds of features and benefits. Hi guys, this is the Freedom Express 238 RBS. It features an outside kitchen, which is phenomenal. You can see that in the pictures. Also this large horseshoe dinette. A nice sofa with some storage underneath that looks right straight at the TV. You've got a great kitchen here, big refrigerator, big pantry, an oven, a range, a nice deep sink, and I think that's a split sink. You also have a beautiful bedroom that has a window in the front, really nice and convenient, very comfortable, and a great big bathroom. So the bathroom has a porcelain toilet in it. It's got a really nice shower. It's got a nice basin. Thank you so much for taking a look at this Freedom Express. It's a super nice trailer, isn't it? Give me a call, ask me some questions. I'm sure that you didn't get it all in this short little video, but I love to visit and I want to help you. My name is Barbara Balcom at Guarantee RV. My phone number is 541-521-4232. I'm looking forward to helping you. Thank you.